Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday morning, I popped out down to my local cafe to grab a cappuccino and a croissant for my breakfast. And as I was ordering, I noticed sat behind me a young guy who looked a bit the worse for wear. He was unshaven and a bit bleary-eyed, and he was nursing a large black coffee whilst sitting over a deep sort of fried English breakfast that he was in the middle of working his way through. As I was waiting for my order, I heard him on the phone talking to a friend of his, and he basically said, "Oh, mate, I woke up with the mother of all hangovers and I just couldn't face dragging myself into the office, so I decided to pull a sickie." If you pull or you throw a sickie, you tell your employer that you're ill when you're not, so that you don't have to go into work. Usually people pull sickies, throw sickies, because they wake up with a blinding hangover after a bit of a heavy night. And then they phone in sick, usually with some kind of bogus excuse like, "Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't come in today. I've got a terrible cough and I don't want to give it to anyone else in the office." And then probably they go back to bed to sleep off the hangover. Sometimes, I guess, people may pull or throw a sickie because they want to just go and meet friends or they want to do something else for the day. It's basically the adult version of bunking off school. You know, telling your parents you're going to school and then not going to school, and bunking off and going to the park, or, you know, going somewhere else and having fun with your mates. And of course, it's all fine so long as you don't get caught pulling a sickie. And I did worry on behalf of this young guy that he was quite conspicuous sitting in the window of a cafe on a busy street as he was. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see any examples of any times you've pulled a sickie.